Welcome to the Atlas Moth world. Meet the Atlas Moth, the largest moth species in the world, native to tropical forests in Southeast Asia, with a wingspan of up to 12 inches. Unique wing patterns that resemble snake heads. They are known for their graceful flight. Their life cycle includes stunning caterpillars. Active primarily at night, they are nocturnal. Masters of camouflage, they blend into their surroundings, transforming from a caterpillar to a magnificent moth. A remarkable creature of nature's design, they play a role as important pollinators. Conservation of their habitat is crucial. Witness their fascinating mating rituals, a symbol of beauty and the wonders of nature. Sadly, they face threats and are endangered. Support conservation efforts to protect them. Let's protect the Atlas moth together for future generations. The fascinating world of Atlas moths, the largest moth in the world, native to Southeast Asia, intricate wing patterns, extraordinary flight abilities, nature's masterpiece, a spectacular display of color, sensitive to vibrations, a weakness for nectar, camouflage for protection, a beautiful sight to behold, graceful in flight, night wanderers in the dark, inspiration for art and design, a symbol of nature's beauty, the legacy of the Atlas moth, a magnificent creature of the skies. The Atlas moth is a magnificent creature, native to the tropical forests of Asia. It boasts the largest wingspan of any moth, with wings reaching up to 12 inches wide. Its flight is both graceful and mesmerizing. The patterns on its wings are truly beautiful. This moth is primarily nocturnal in nature. It plays a crucial role in its ecosystem. Sadly, it faces threats from habitat loss. Conservation efforts are vital for its survival. Education about moths can inspire protection. Join the movement to protect these wonders. Together, we can protect our natural world. Help us make a change for the better. The Atlas moth, a symbol of nature's beauty. The striking patterns of Atlas moth wings. Nature's artwork showcases vibrant details. Wing scales reflect light in unique ways. Colorful and intricate designs captivate. The largest butterfly species in the world, mimicry helps them survive in the wild. Their graceful flight mesmerizes observers. They play a crucial role in ecosystems. Diversity in moth species is astonishing. They contribute significantly to pollination, inspiration for artists and designers alike. Protecting their habitat is vital for survival. Learning about moth biology is essential. The nightlife of moths is captivating. They often hide in plain sight from predators, celebrating their beauty and diversity. A world of moths awaits our exploration. Join us in discovery of these wonders. The Atlas moth is one of the largest moths found. It can have a wingspan of up to 12 inches. Their wings are decorated with stunning patterns. Wing scales reflect light beautifully in nature. They camouflage themselves from natural predators. Their eyes help detect movement in the environment. They are primarily nocturnal insects of the night. They are attracted to artificial lights at night. They play a vital role in the ecosystem as pollinators. Their beauty captivates nature lovers everywhere. They feed on nectar from beautiful flowers. The Atlas moth is a true marvel of nature. Their antennae are sensitive to scents in the air. Witnessing their grace is an unforgettable experience. They embody the beauty of the wild in flight. The Atlas moth remains a symbol of wonder in nature. The life cycle of the Atlas moth. Stage 1 is the eggs laid on leaves. Stage 2 involves a hungry caterpillar. The caterpillar grows by molting its skin. Stage 3 is the formation of a chrysalis. Inside, metamorphosis takes place. Stage 4 is when the moth emerges. The adult moth spreads its wings to fly. The life cycle is now completed. Witness the beauty of nature's creation. The Atlas moth is a true wonder. It symbolizes change and transformation. The life cycle continues through nature. The Atlas moth's journey goes on. The journey begins with an egg. After a few days, it hatches. The caterpillar starts to feed. It molts several times, preparing for the next stage, forming a chrysalis. Transformation occurs inside. The adult moth emerges. With beautiful wings, it flies. Living in the wild, it thrives. Reproduction ensures the next generation. The cycle continues, a remarkable life cycle, thriving in diverse habitats. The Atlas moth, a wonder of nature. The Atlas moth is the largest moth in the world. Growing rapidly, it can reach over 10 inches. Feeding on leaves, it consumes a lot of food. Molting is a crucial part of its life cycle. Camouflage helps it avoid its natural predators. Pupation occurs after the feeding stage ends. Emerging, it transforms into a beautiful moth. Flying gracefully, it spreads its impressive wings. Nature's beauty, a marvel to behold in life. Patterns on its wings are stunning and unique. Adaptation is key for survival in the wild. The ecosystem plays a vital role in its survival. The life cycle is fascinating to study and observe. The transformation is remarkable and inspiring, a symbol of nature's wonders and beauty around. Watching it fly is mesmerizing and breathtaking. A journey from caterpillar to magnificent moth. Thank you for learning about the Atlas moth today. The pupa stage begins its journey as transformation occurs inside. Nature works its magic quietly. The pupa changes its shape slowly. Beauty is emerging from within. Wings are unfolding with grace, breaking free from the confines. A beautiful moth takes to flight, flying free among the flowers. An art piece of nature's design. The sunset reveals its beauty. Wings painted with colors bright. Life unfolds in a dance of joy, connecting with nature's wonders. Nightly adventures await ahead. A new beginning takes to flight. The beauty of change we embrace. Atlas moths live in tropical rainforests. They prefer warm and humid environments. Southeast Asia is their main habitat. Countries like Malaysia and Indonesia. They are nocturnal, flying at night. Camouflage helps them avoid predators. They emerge from cocoons in the trees. Their habitat includes dense, forested areas. They feed on nectar from flowers. These forests are full of life. Spectacular wings are their trademark. They are a sign of a healthy ecosystem. Protecting their habitats is crucial. Conservation helps ensure their survival. Let's protect these magnificent creatures. The Atlas moth is found in tropical regions. It thrives in Southeast Asia and parts of India. Countries like Thailand and Malaysia are key habitats. The Atlas moth prefers dense foliage and humidity. Its larvae feed on the leaves of specific trees. Bamboo is especially important for their growth. Adult moths use camouflage to avoid predators. They are most active during the mating season. Their life cycle includes a stunning transformation. Conservation is crucial for their survival. Many habitats are threatened by deforestation. Local communities can help protect these moths. Education plays a vital role in conservation. Join efforts to support moth conservation. Together, we can make a difference for the Atlas. The Atlas moth is one of the largest moths. Their natural habitat is the tropical rainforest. Flowers are crucial for their life cycle. They feed on the nectar of tropical flowers. Their environment is rich in biodiversity. The colors of their wings are truly stunning. As the sun sets, they become active at night, flying gracefully through the dense trees. Their patterns help them blend in with nature. Atlas moths symbolize natural beauty. Conservation efforts are vital for their survival. Creating habitats can help these incredible creatures. Join us in protecting their environment. Together, we can make a difference. Let's ensure a bright future for the Atlas moth. The beauty of nature awaits our protection. What do Atlas moths eat? They are found in tropical regions. Their main food source is nectar. They use their long proboscis. They are attracted to fragrant flowers. They fly during the night. Their wingspan can be up to 10 inches. Moths prefer warm climates. They blend in with their environment. Caterpillars eat leaves. They are part of the ecosystem. They help pollinate flowers. Their feeding is crucial for nature. Atlas moths are amazing creatures. The Atlas moth is one of the largest moths in the world. They primarily feed on nectar from flowers. Their long proboscis allows them to reach deep flowers. They are nocturnal and attracted to night-blooming plants. Using their senses, they navigate in darkness. Their wings are designed for camouflage and protection. They undergo a complete metamorphosis from egg to moth. Mating occurs during specific seasons for reproduction. After pupation, they emerge as beautiful moths. Atlas moths play a crucial role in their ecosystem. They aid in pollinating many species of plants. Their sensory perception is key to finding food. The Atlas moth is truly a marvel of nature. Protecting their habitat ensures their survival. Explore more about moths and their fascinating lives. Atlas moths are among the largest insects on Earth. Their wings can reach up to 10 inches across. Mating rituals commence at dusk when they emerge. Males are attracted by the scent of pheromones released by females. Males can detect these pheromones from miles away. Courtship involves elaborate displays of wing patterns. The actual mating process can take several hours. Females lay eggs on specific host plants for the larvae. The caterpillars grow rapidly, feeding voraciously. They then enter the pupation stage, transforming. Finally, they emerge as beautiful adult moths. The life cycle of Atlas moths continues in the wild. Adult moths often rest on foliage during the day. Their intricate patterns and colors are breathtaking. Atlas moths fly gracefully through their habitats. They play a crucial role in their ecosystems. And thus, the circle of life continues for Atlas moths. Atlas moths thrive in the lush landscapes of Asia. They are truly a nocturnal wonder of nature. Are Atlas moths endangered? They live in tropical forests. Habitat loss is a major threat. Pollution affects their life cycle. Climate change impacts their survival. Life cycle is fascinating. Conservation efforts are crucial. Everyone can help protect them. A healthy ecosystem benefits us all. Let's work together for their future. Protect nature, protect the moth. Beauty and diversity is important. Education is key to conservation. Together, we can make a difference. Learn more about Atlas moths. Threats to the Atlas moth are increasing. Habitat loss is a major concern today. Logging and land development destroy homes. Pollution impacts the delicate ecosystems. Climate change alters their natural habitats. Invasive species threaten local populations. Conservation efforts are vital for survival. We must protect the future of the Atlas moth. Join us in the fight for their survival. Educate and inspire others to help. Success stories show hope for the future. A balanced ecosystem is essential for life. Global initiatives can make a difference. Act now to ensure their future existence. Nature needs us to thrive and survive. Let's save the Atlas moth together. The Atlas moth is a magnificent creature. Emerging from its cocoon, it transforms. Native to tropical forests, it thrives, flying gracefully among the trees. Intricate patterns on its wings are stunning. Feeding on tree sap, it nourishes itself. Predators pose a constant threat. Camouflage is key for survival. Researchers study their behaviors. Conservation is vital for their future. Diversity in habitats supports survival. Beauty and fragility coexist in nature. Education inspires future conservationists. Protecting our ecosystems is essential. The Atlas moth symbolizes nature's wonders. Together, we can make a difference. Atlas moths are the largest moths in the world. Their wingspan can reach up to 10 inches. Native to tropical forests of Asia, their wings resemble snakes to deter predators. Life cycle includes a stunning metamorphosis. Adults do not eat, they live off their fat reserves. They thrive in humid and warm environments. Atlas moths are part of the Saturniidae family. Senses are highly developed for navigation. Fascinating creatures of the insect world. They are most active during dusk and night. Their size makes them a target for predators. The Atlas moth is a marvel of nature. Their colors are not just beautiful, but also functional. Studying them helps us understand more about insects. Protecting their habitat is crucial for their survival. Atlas moths are truly amazing insects. Learn more about these mysterious creatures. Explore the world of Atlas moth. Many people think Atlas moths are dangerous. In reality, they're completely harmless. Some believe they are giant pests, but they actually help in pollination. Another myth is that they live only a few days, yet they can live for several months. Some say they are just ugly creatures. However, they are truly beautiful insects. Many consider them a nuisance. In fact, they are an important part of nature. Some think they cannot be pets, yet they can be kept safely as pets. A common myth is that they are all brown. In truth, they come in vibrant colors. Some believe they harm crops. In reality, they benefit the ecosystem. So, let us appreciate these wonderful Atlas moths are the largest moths in the world. Their wings stretch over 10 inches. Beautiful patterns mimic snakes to deter predators. Native to Southeast Asia's tropical forests, culturally significant in many communities, inspiration for art and textile designs, pollinators crucial for ecosystem health. Atlas moths are a symbol of nature's beauty. Protecting their habitats is vital for survival. Join us in the fight for conservation. Let's protect our environment for future generations. Education is key to raising awareness. Research helps us understand their role. The life cycle of an Atlas moth is fascinating. Together we can make a difference. Protect biodiversity and nature's wonders. The Atlas moth caterpillar is a striking creature. Its vibrant colors serve as protection. It primarily feeds on leaves and foliage. In its larval stage, it grows rapidly. Then it undergoes transformation into a chrysalis. The adult Atlas moth is equally impressive, with large wings that can span 10 inches. It has limited flight capacity, preferring to glide. The life cycle of the Atlas moth is fascinating. Understanding the key differences is essential. Caterpillars are much smaller than adults. Their diets change dramatically as they mature. Caterpillars use camouflage for protection. Adults display wings to attract mates. Both stages thrive in tropical environments. Their transformation is a remarkable journey. The caterpillar is a crucial stage in development. Feeding is essential for growth and energy. Molting allows for size increase and transformation. Resting is part of the process of development. Preparation for metamorphosis begins with changes. Chrysalis forms as a protective shell for change. Transformation happens inside the chrysalis slowly, emerging as a new creature ready for flight, flying into a new life and seeking food. Reproduction ensures survival of the species. Life cycle begins anew with each new generation. Beauty of the Atlas moth captures our attention. Natural habitat is crucial for survival and growth. Community matters in nature for protection and food. Balance in the ecosystem is essential for life. A complete life cycle reflects nature's wonders. The Atlas moth is the largest moth in the world. It emerges from a cocoon in a breathtaking transformation. These moths are found in tropical rainforests of Asia. Their flight is graceful and mesmerizing to watch. The wings feature intricate patterns and stunning colors. They use natural camouflage to blend into their surroundings. Atlas moths are often attracted to light at night. During mating season, they perform a display to attract partners. Their sensitive antennae help them navigate their environment. As nocturnal creatures, they rest during the day and become active at night. They play a crucial role in pollination within their ecosystems. The life cycle includes stages from egg to caterpillar to adult. They are part of the diversity found in tropical environments. The beauty of the Atlas moth reflects the wonders of nature. The Atlas moth symbolizes the beauty and fragility of our world. Unquote. Atlas moths are vital for pollination. Flowers depend on these insects. They transfer pollen as they feed. Rainforests host diverse flora and fauna. Atlas moths are the largest in the world. Their wings are beautiful and distinct. Pollination ensures the survival of plants. Moths play a key role in ecosystems. Protecting them helps the planet thrive. Learn about their importance in nature. Share this knowledge with others. Conserve their habitats for future generations. Together we can help nature thrive. Moths and butterflies share our world. Let's celebrate these amazing creatures. Atlas moths are large and beautiful insects. Nature provides many resources for survival. Edible insects are nutritious and sustainable. Cooking with insects can be a delicious option. Larvae of the Atlas moth are often consumed. Cultural practices around eating insects vary. Insects are high in protein and vitamins. Insect farming is a sustainable food source. Markets for edible insects are growing worldwide. Cooking demonstrations showcase insect recipes. Sharing meals with insects can be enjoyable. Eating insects has many health benefits. Education on insects is important for acceptance. Innovation in food brings insect-based products. Global trends show increasing insect consumption. The future of food may include more insects. Embrace the future of sustainable eating. Atlas moths are the largest moths in the world. Their life cycle begins in cocoons. Tropical forests are their natural habitat. Pollination is a vital role they play. Beautiful patterns help them camouflage. Feeding on nectar sustains their energy. Natural predators keep their population balanced. The ecosystem thrives with their presence. Interspecies relationships are crucial. Environmental change threatens their survival. Conservation is key to their future. Education raises awareness for their protection. Community action can make a difference. A balanced ecosystem benefits all species. Protecting Atlas moths protects our planet. Introducing the Atlas moth caterpillar. Their native habitat is tropical forests. They feed on foliage like leaves, provide fresh and clean leaves, keep humidity high for growth, mist daily to maintain moisture, ensure proper ventilation for health. The pupation stage is crucial. Enjoy their fascinating life cycle. The adults are truly magnificent. They contribute to ecosystem balance. Watch them fly with grace. Support conservation efforts for them. Connect with nature through them. Learn more about butterflies and moths. Protect their habitat for future. The Atlas moth is a marvel of nature, emerging from their cocoons in beauty, found in tropical regions of Asia. Their wings can span over 10 inches. Beautiful patterns and colors attract attention. Feeding on nectar from flowers is vital. Mating rituals in the wild are fascinating. Predators pose a threat to their survival. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect them, inspiring awareness in future generations. Research helps us understand these creatures. Their beauty adds to nature's wonder. Diversity of species is found worldwide. Art inspired by moths captures their essence. Let's protect these gentle giants for future. The legacy of the Atlas moth lives on. Join the effort to save these magnificent beings. Many people think Atlas moths are dangerous. In reality, they're completely harmless. Some believe they are giant pests, but they actually help in pollination. Another myth is that they live only a few days, yet they can live for several months. Some say they are just ugly creatures. However, they are truly beautiful insects. Many consider them a nuisance. In fact, they are an important part of nature. Some think they cannot be pets, yet they can be kept safely as pets. A common myth is that they are all brown. In truth, they come in vibrant colors. Some believe they harm crops. In reality, they benefit the ecosystem. So, let us appreciate these wonderful insects. The Atlas moth is a fascinating creature. Its wingspan can reach an impressive size. In many cultures, the Atlas moth holds deep meaning. In Asia, it represents strength and transformation. Indigenous cultures see it as a messenger of spirits. Symbolically, it bridges the earthly and the spiritual. The Atlas moth symbolizes beauty and change. It reflects the cycles of life and rebirth. Across cultures, the Atlas moth inspires awe. It reminds us of nature's wonders and mysteries. Artists often draw inspiration from its beauty. Festivals celebrate the significance of the moth. The Atlas moth adapts to various environments. Its stunning wings symbolize the beauty of change. The Atlas moth inspires us to embrace transformation. The Atlas moth is the largest moth in the world, native to tropical forests in Asia. Life cycle begins as a caterpillar. Wings can span up to 10 inches. Intricate patterns for camouflage, colorful yet hard to spot. Flight is slow and graceful, larger than a human hand, a symbol of beauty and wilderness. Moths are often overlooked. Protecting their habitat is crucial. Moths versus butterflies inspire art and creativity. Education about nature is important. The Atlas moth, a true wonder. Nightlife of moths is fascinating. Celebrate these magnificent creatures. The inspiration comes from the beauty of moths. Fashion designers embrace nature in their creations. The Atlas moth symbolizes transformation and elegance. Sketches inspired by moths come to life on fabric. The runway show highlights stunning moth-inspired designs. Textures and patterns reflect the moth's vibrant colors. Nature serves as a muse for innovative fashion. Creativity is unleashed in the world of fashion. Moths hold cultural significance in various societies. Accessories inspired by moths add elegance to outfits. Collaboration among designers leads to unique creations. Fabrics reflecting the beauty of moths captivate audiences. Art meets fashion through the inspiration of moths. Fashion and nature unite in a celebration of beauty. Moths are nature's masterpiece, inspiring all around. Celebrating moth fashion brings us closer to nature. The end of our journey into the world of moth fashion. The Atlas moth is the largest moth, native to tropical Asia. It thrives. Researchers are studying its life cycle. Larvae develop on specific plants. Adults live for only a few weeks. Wings can span up to 10 inches. Camouflage helps them survive in nature. Data collected aids in conservation efforts. Critical to the ecosystem, they pollinate. Research continues to unveil secrets. Understanding them is key to biodiversity. Lab studies enhance our knowledge greatly. Atlas moths inspire future studies ahead. Sharing findings promotes awareness globally. Protecting them ensures a healthy future. Atlas moths are a treasure of nature. The Atlas moth is a remarkable insect. It emerges from its cocoon in a stunning display. Its wings can span up to 10 inches. The patterns are intricate and mesmerizing. They feed on nectar from various flowers. They are strong flyers, gliding gracefully. At night, they are attracted to light sources. Mating rituals occur in their natural habitat. Their antennae help detect pheromones. They use camouflage to avoid predators. Interactions with other insects are common. The Atlas moth symbolizes nature's beauty. Watch as it takes flight in slow motion. They thrive in tropical forest habitats. The Atlas moth is a beautiful creature. Experience the beauty of nature at sunset. The legacy of the Atlas moth continues. The Atlas moth is one of the largest moths. Life cycle involves a stunning transformation. Tropical forests are their natural habitat. Researchers study their behavior and habits. Interaction with plants is crucial for survival. Wing patterns serve as camouflage. Data analysis helps understand their ecology. Conservation efforts are vital for their future. The future of Atlas moth research is bright. Ecological impact is essential to focus on. Diversity of moths contributes to ecosystem health. Education raises awareness about species. Community initiatives support moth protection. Atlas moth research continues to evolve. Collaboration enhances our knowledge of moths. Protecting their habitat is our responsibility. Let's ensure a future for the Atlas moth. The Atlas moth is the largest butterfly in the world. It is native to the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. Its wings can span up to 10 inches wide. The eye patterns on its wings help protect it from predators. Remarkably, it has no mouth and lives only about a week. The mating ritual of the Atlas moth is truly spectacular. Its life cycle includes a cocoon stage before becoming a moth. The flight of the Atlas moth is graceful and slow. It serves as a pollinator for various tropical plants. Sadly, it is a vulnerable species due to habitat loss. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect this species. The Atlas moth is a magnificent creature of nature. Learn more about the incredible Atlas moth today. The Atlas moth is the largest moth in the world. It is native to Southeast Asia and thrives there. Its life cycle includes dramatic transformation from cocoon to moth. Its wings feature stunning patterns and colors for camouflage. The wingspan can reach up to 10 inches wide. It attracts enthusiasts and nature lovers everywhere. The eye spots on its wings deceive potential predators. It glides gracefully through the forests where it lives. As an adult, it does not eat and lives on stored energy. Mating involves unique courtship rituals among these moths. They play a role in pollination, aiding in nature's balance. In some cultures, they symbolize strength and resilience. Their habitats face threats from deforestation and climate change. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these wonders. Join us to learn more about the incredible Atlas. Its magnificent wings display vibrant colors. The journey begins with the caterpillar stage. It eats leaves and grows rapidly. Soon it prepares to pupate and transform. The cocoon forms a protective shell. After time, the moth emerges from its cocoon. It spreads its wings, ready to fly. The moth seeks a partner to mate. Mating occurs, leading to reproduction. The female lays eggs on suitable leaves. In time, the eggs hatch into caterpillars, and thus the cycle of life continues. The Atlas moth embodies nature's beauty. We must protect their habitat for survival. Join the journey of the Atlas moth today. Thank you for watching this amazing journey.